Assalamu alaikum. I am wearing a fancy outfit because tonight is Nukruzushva. Nukruzu means henna, and it is my cousin's. Am I supposed to be looking over there? Over there. It is my cousin, Yosef. Hi, Yosef. Hi, Yosef. Hi, Karen. It's their henna night. They're getting married in Dallas in a couple of weeks. Tonight we are celebrating, and traditionally we wear Afghan clothes. So what I thought would be really fun is to see, my mom is waiting for me in the front room. The kids are getting ready upstairs with their fancy Afghan clothes. I thought it would be fun to see if I could make a spicy tomato chutney in my outfit without ruining it before we have to head to this party. So let's see if we can get that done, okay? I covered up my pretty clothes because I don't want to make them a mess. Really simple ingredients for this chutney. Very similar to the cilantro chutney that we made earlier, like one of the very first videos I've ever made. It has cilantro, it has garlic. Since it's a tomato chutney, it has tomatoes. These are called rumyan. One of them is rumai. Many of them are rumyan, and jalapeno, vinegar, and salt. Okay, super easy. What we do is we put the jalapenos in the zhuzher, chop up the cilantro into the zhuzher. This is a very small zhuzher. Maybe I should get a bigger zhuzher. Oh well, that's what I got. Moving right along. So, henna nights are usually part of the multi-day celebration for Afghan weddings. And they usually take place like the night before the actual wedding ceremony. And it's a women's event. As it says, it's a henna night. So we get our henna done and the bride gets her henna done. They've done it a little differently. We're actually doing it a couple of weeks before the wedding in this case because the wedding is far away and not everybody is going to the wedding. My mom is here and she is talking to the boys in the other room. We switched out the mini zhuzher for the big zhuzher. You can hear her talking to the kids. Anyway, usually young kids do end up going. And here, the groom's friends usually come. Men are not invited. That's the interesting thing about Afghan culture. We have separate spaces, and when I was young, I used to think it was bad. Like, why are we always separated? Because the narrative was that being separated was somehow meaning that women were less than. And now I really appreciate the ability to have a space just for women where we can enjoy each other's company and we can talk and we can get dressed up and wear like a lot of makeup on our face. And we're just doing it for each other. I mean, there's no, husbands aren't there, men aren't there. I'm gonna add the apple cider vinegar. If you have white vinegar, that's great too. Wow, that was a lot of vinegar. I'm gonna dump some of this vinegar out. I'm gonna add some salt. My mom said, there's a real Afghan girl making this food. Ready? We're gonna pulse it, okay? So much better than the other zhuzher. And you can pulse this until you get the consistency you like. We have to taste it for salt and for heat. Oh, that's hot. I would recommend 1 jalapeno, not 2. Fortunately, we're a house that likes spicy food. This is spicy. That is it. It is not even a 5-minute process. Vinegar, cilantro, garlic, tomato, salt. Jalapeno, only 1 though. That's our recipe. I'm waiting for my children to be ready. There's a really popular hashtag right now on Twitter and on Instagram. I think it's on Facebook too, that talks about Afghan culture. It's hashtag Afghan culture, Afghan clothes, hands off my clothes, so that we can reclaim our own culture, our own stories. Oh, wait, don't go. I have to tell you to do some stuff first, okay? You have to subscribe. We're finally over 1,000 subscribers. Yay! You want to make sure that you comment, like the video, like all of my videos. They're all very good. Do not dislike them. Remember, that's just rude. No reason to be rude. Just move along if you don't like it. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I have a video. Thanks. Bye.